Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, heatsink assembly, power button board, and system board. Removal: remove the rear light module cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the four 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the rear light modules to the top cover. Remove the rear light modules from the adhesive and lift it off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement: place the rear light modules onto the alignment pins and apply pressure to adhere them to the top cover. Replace the four 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the rear light modules to the top cover. Route the rear light module cable through the routing channel on the top cover.